Hi, I'm Roland Johnson. I'm a writer and woodworker. My background is that I was introduced to woodworking when I was about 14 years old. I built a Class C racing boat at the encouragement of my neighbor, and it was really a well-rounded introduction to woodworking. And this is actually my 25th anniversary of writing for Fine Woodworking Magazine, and it's my 18th year as being a contributing editor for the magazine. Really important to get into the habit of paying attention to that wood every time you build a project, because it does become a habit. It becomes something that you just automatically do. You can do it in a very small space, and you can do it pretty much by yourself, which is what a lot of woodworkers do. We tend to be somewhat reclusive. A little bit of time up front pays. It pays in the long run, because your project is going to look better, it's going to stay together better, and it's just going to be a lot nicer to work with. So just as a stress release, if I've been working on something and getting a little frustrated with it, I'll grab a nice piece of wood, I'll grab one of my block planes or one of my bench planes, and I'll plane. I'll just plane. 15, 20 minutes, I'll stand there and plane. It's therapeutic. It's very satisfying. This project is really a lot of fun. It's a nice, simple project that can be easily accomplished in a leisurely day or in an afternoon if you really focus on it and go for it.